Sabi dito, please stop pulling the kinaya ng iba, bakit ikaw hindi card to me. Not everybody is the same privilege, situation, and mental stability. No one can function like anyone. Hindi porket kinaya nila ay dapat kayanin ko rin. Eh di wag. But, sa proseso ng pagiging mahina mo, wag mong i-inconvenience yung ibang tao dahil mahina ka. 'Di ba? Sabi nga ni Shishio sa Samurai X, the strong will live and the weak shall perish. So if you are going to perish just because you are weak, wala kang ibang sisisihin kundi ikaw. Kasi tinanggap mo na from the start na mahina ka. And wag mo sabihin magpapaalaga ka doon sa mga malalakas. Because they can only help up to such extent. 'Di ba? Yes, magkaiba kayo ng sitwasyon, magkaiba kayo ng kalagayan at kung ano-ano pang nuances, but it does not mean that you cannot generate any solution based from who you are, what you have, and what you can do. Because yung mga bagay na yun, you can actually try to think of a solution tailor fit sa kung ano man yung sitwasyon mo. Basta wag ka lang magpapa-victim. Kasi the moment na magpa-victim ka, tapos na ang usapan. Wala ka nang gagawing or iisiping solusyon, hindi mo na aalamin kung pwede ba sa'yo yung ganong method because from the start pa lang, inamin mo na or tinanggap mo na yung pagkatao mo as mahina. Well, this is your lifestyle coach, Mark. You could book a free clarity session so that we could check if we could work together towards our goal. Have a good day.